So what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today on my hand is the latest Apple AirPods Max. So I got this pair of headphones this morning and I've been using this the entire day now. So I have some really honest opinion on how I love or I dislike about this pair of headphones. I'm gonna just share with you guys real quick. So I'm gonna talk about 5 different aspects. So let's start off with the design. It is different. That's all I can tell you. It does not have a single Apple logo on this design. It just feels simple. It feels retro. At the same time, it feels futuristic. So the first time I saw the rumors of the design, I loved it. I don't know a lot of people, but this single piece of aluminum machined CNC'd and the stainless steel headband and this cushion, the earpiece, which you can detach using magnets, it is very ingenious. And it is definitely drastically different from all those traditional plastic-ish headphones. And it really feels premium. And I have to give Apple that. So the design to me kind of feel like when Tesla introduced the Cybertruck, how it's so different from all those competitions, all those traditional trucks. And I feel Apple is kind of going in the same way, a same approach with the design. So I'll give Apple design a 5 out of 5. And then second is the comfort. So I'm a glasses person. So I wear glasses all the time. I used to own the Beats Studio 3 and it was really uncomfortable. And I have to be honest, Apple AirPods Max does not solve the discomfort either. After like a 1 or 2 hour of usage even, I'll feel pressure around my ear when it's pushing my glasses. So for those people who wear glasses, it is something to be aware of. I think it's just a common issue whenever you wear like over-ear headphone. But despite the 50% more weight compared to Sony XM4 and the Bose 700, I don't really particularly feel it's heavy on my head. Probably because of the nicely designed bridge, like the ear cup. This part kind of feel like the office chair. It really distributes the pressure evenly on top of your head. So despite it's over 350 grams, I don't know exact number, it does not feel that heavy. And it is really nicely kind of just clamped on your head. Not too tight, not too loose either. It's just the problem with the glasses. And also, since I got a white one, it's pretty easy to get dirty over time, I think. So make sure wash your hair daily. If you wash it every day, then wash it twice a day from now on, since it's a fucking $549 headphone. It's expensive, man. And third, it's the sound quality, and I have to give Apple that. It sounds amazing. It definitely not sounds as good as those like thousands of dollars studio level headphone, but compared with the Sony and Bose, it definitely sounds so much richer. I feel the the driver, it's using 44mm driver, can produce more kind of a range of frequency, so you can hear more details. But compared to my favorite Apple audio product, the HomePod, it still does not reach that type of level. Like the bass is not like super punctual that you can feel the ground is shaking. I mean, it's a over-ear headphone anyway. And it also have only 1 speaker on each side. It does not have like 7 speakers around like the HomePod. So although the quality is really unmatchable, it's really great, but it is not, I think it's not a fair comparison to the HomePod. And I'm a little bit disappointed in the bass, although the bass is punchy, but it's not like, it does not give me a wow factor. So that's something to bear in mind. But overall, the sound quality is really great, and I'll give it at least like a 4.5. And for the comfort, I can only give it a 3.5 out of 5. And then lastly, the noise cancellation and the transparency mode. This is honestly the best feature of this headphone. Apple already done amazing jobs with the AirPods Pro. Their transparency mode is just fantastic. Although it's so tiny, but they blocked out the majority of the noise. And this is like a next step forward. All the features you love on the AirPods Pro, they have it here. And it provides the same type of experience. And it even blocks more noise. I would say, when you are doing your traffic in the subway, I even tested like a plane noise with my Mac. It blocked them pretty nicely, and especially when you are playing music, you barely hear a thing. So it is really good. Compared with Sony, I would say it's a tie. Compared with Bose, it is a lot better. And then it's a transparency mode. That's where Apple really shines. For AirPods Pro, it is just, they nailed it. So I feel it's kind of a comparison between Apple and Apple, AirPods versus AirPods. And for this one, they still did an amazing job. But I have to be honest, not as good as the AirPods Pro. It's not because like they're heavy that you feel the weight around your ear, but it's what you hear. It doesn't feel like, for iPad, AirPods, for AirPods Pro, when the transparency mode is turned on, I literally feel I'm wearing air, and what I'm hearing with the AirPods Pro is like what I'm hearing without the AirPods. But for those, although it's very close, but you can still feel it's kind of coming out of a speaker, and a little bit not as authentic as in real life. As if like someone is calling you, in a distance, through a cell phone, and you're picking up their voice. So, but in the competition, Apple definitely nailed it and did a lot better job than Sony and Bose. How would I justify the $550 price tag, the $550 US price tag? So it is definitely very expensive, and I don't think despite all those great features, all those good hardware, I don't think this is a headphone for most of the people, unless you are in the Apple ecosystem, unless you have the money. Otherwise, I would not recommend you guys to get the Max. Instead, I think Pro is a lot better deal. It's half the price, and it pretty much do everything Max do, just not like as good in terms of the sound quality, but it's more portable and more affordable, and you can go to the gym, to the subway with them easily and put in your pocket. And this is not as portable as obviously those small Bluetooth devices. So overall, unless you are already in the Apple ecosystem, you have the Mac, you have the iPad, you have the iPhone, you can seamlessly use this Apple software integrated feature to switch seamlessly between the devices, and also use the awesome spatial audio feature, then I don't think this headphone is for you. But nonetheless, thanks Apple for like creating this beautiful piece of hardware, and it is definitely a blast to see like the competition is getting like more severe, because it's better for the consumers to get better products. And overall, I think AirPods Max is a great product, and if you have the money, this is definitely worth it, and you will not get disappointed. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, consider subscribe, smash that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.